Welcome to this rare opportunity for a beautiful custom home in Lake Oswego's sought-after Atherton Heights. Backing to a green space, this exquisite home offers breathtaking panoramic views. A tranquil oasis with a koi pond invites you inside. You'll discover a wonderful open-concept floor plan with Brazilian cherry floors and inviting, entertaining spaces. Masterfully designed walls of windows, a cozy gas fireplace, and exceptional millwork frame the spacious living room. Head out to your expansive slate deck, perfect for entertaining or taking in the mesmerizing views. Create culinary masterpieces in your chef's gourmet kitchen with professional Viking stainless steel appliances, granite counters, custom cabinetry, a 6-burner gas range, and pantry. It opens to another inviting sitting area. You can retreat to the main floor master suite with access to the deck, a walk-in closet, and its own gas fireplace. Enjoy the warmth and serenity of the master bath with separate vanities and a luxurious jetted tub. French doors lead to the main floor office. On the lower level, a large family room is ready for entertaining with a slider to the deck and a wet bar. Plus, you'll find 4 more large bedrooms and 2 full baths. From here, head to the covered deck, ideal for year-round entertaining or just relaxing in this serene setting. It's a fantastic location near walking paths, parks, a golf course, Lakeridge High School, and Oswego Hills Winery. An exceptional home in Atherton Heights. It's ready for you here to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com.